Hey, I have been watching you from behind. How did you create entire report under 5 minutes?
Simple, because I've been using the latest AI features of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm able to do all of this work just under 5 minutes.
Can you please teach me the same?
Absolutely, I can.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today we are going to see there are many keywords, okay, some specific keywords in the Excel sheet. We are required to remove that specific values found in many cells, okay. So let's see how with the help of ChatGPT we can resolve that thing, okay. So let me go into the ChatGPT part, which here only we are going to use it. And this is the Excel sheet, okay. Here is the employee code number, MF, manufacturing codes are there. Okay, so this E2, E1234, okay. This has found 4 places, okay, in second row, sixth row, and 4 places I have highlighted in yellow color. Okay, so now our requirement is the row should not be deleted. Okay, only this E1234, this part alone should be removed. Okay, it is, for example, it is like a junk value for us. Okay, where it is creating some issues in the production. So let's see how we can do. Okay, so I am going to ChatGPT. I am attaching the file. Okay, like this is the part. The remove values is the Excel sheet where I am giving here. Okay, I'm giving remove only the value. The value is E1234 now, guys. Only the value E1234 present in the remove values present in .xlsx. Okay, and we should make them to understand because the row should not be deleted, right? We need only the keys to be rated. The rows should not be deleted. Okay, remove only the values E123 present in the removal excels. Okay, or remove all the values also. Okay, so let's see how it's giving us. I'll start loading the content of the remove value XLS to see what the data looks like. So yeah, it is giving the correct part. It has loaded. Okay, so in this loading part it has come. Okay, so the data from the remove value file has been loaded. It consists of 3 columns, correct, right? Whatever you have given, like E code number, and MFED code. Yes. Back to an Excel file, the occurrence has been replaced. Yeah. So what it is telling means instead of keeping empty thing, it is giving NaN. No. Okay. So it has been replaced. The places will be replaced with Na, like not applicable type. Okay. The occurrence has been replaced with N. Would you like me to save this modified data back to an Excel file? Yeah. Save this into a new file I'm giving. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this, guys, because it is easy way to do the coding. Okay, so if you like this session useful, join our workshop, okay, at a minimal price from the link given in the below description. Because we will be in this we will be conducting a workshop. In that workshop, definitely you will come to know various AI tools that is going to shape your life. Okay, because definitely these AI tools, okay, will help to increase your efficiency and productivity. It will improve your decision making skills, and also it personalized your experiences, and also it will help you to develop new product and new results. Okay, so don't miss it. Okay, it will shape your life. Okay, so now let's go into the coding part. Now, yeah, we will save this into a new file. I have saved the modified. Okay, okay, guys, now let's see how it is. Now I am taking this, copy this code. Okay, and this is the Google Colab. Okay, like so I'm going to use Python. Okay, so I'm just pasting. So if you would like to know what this code is doing, copy and paste it in this ChatGPT and ask, explain this code. It will help you. Okay, and I'm taking this path because it has given the default path. Since my files are present here, okay, this is the directory. This is the Google Colab, the Python code. It's present here. This is the input values over here. So since we have executed it, I am closing this file. Else, while processing, since the file is open, it can create issues. Okay, guys. So now this is the directory. So I'll be copying this. This is the path. Okay, and here the remove values is the Excel file. Okay. So I am giving 10 values. If I keep only data.head means it will give more at the max 5 values. Okay, I'm keeping 10. Okay, so that we will come to know where are the actual content. Okay, so E1234, 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 E1234. Okay, so this has been displayed. And next part. Okay, now I'm copying this code. Now this is the important part. I am keeping over here. Okay, so imagine, guys, how easy this code is. Okay, if you would have given me, or if you would have given anyone the chance, I want only the particular code, it would have been, we would have searched lot of codes in the net. And this is also one of the interview question. Okay, so we would have analyzed various codes, how to use this. But see, with the replace, there is an option, okay, which everyone human being may not understand. Okay, there is an option in the data science or in the pandas option, which that will replace. We will be doing drop method, or we'll be doing delete method, or we will be doing in some other way. But how it has saved our time, right? So that is the advantage of this AI tool. Okay, so it will be converting, it is giving this replace has the NaN in the entire data frame. Okay, so let me again keep this as 10 so that we'll come to know. So yeah, it has been removed. See this E code E1234, this 4 places it has been removed. Okay, so and then the display the first few rows after the replacement it has given. Now we need to take this file and load it in the new file, right? So I'm copying this code and placing it here. Okay, so okay, so this is the part, the save the modified file into a new file location. So there's I'll just give some other name. Okay, values 1, something like that. Okay, let's see. Now execute this. It has been executed. So this output file will be present in here, present over here. Let's go over here. So in this the location I have given. Yeah, modified values 1. I have given this one, right? Modified values 1. This is present over here. See guys how quickly it brought. See, the first E1234 is removed. It has been blanked. Here also it is blank. Here also it is blank. Here also it is blank. So see the usage of AI tools, guys, how it is helping us, right? Do you think how long it took? It took a fraction of time, right? So definitely, I hope you enjoy this session. Okay. So once again, I'm requesting you join the workshop at the minimal price from the link given in the below description. Okay, guys, and definitely it will help you. Okay. Now, not to worry about coding or any part. Definitely, it will help you and keep learning. Okay. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.